We are getting ready to go to the farm.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Look, sugar. Oh, thank you.
What's going on, guys? It is Chad, and I got my main man Eli with me today. We are getting ready to go to the farm. We're going to Sylvia's parents' farm, my in-laws, and it's out in Texarkana, Texas. I think it's over 100 acres. I don't know how many acres specifically it is, but we're going there just to spend some time going with Sylvia's brother, and it's gonna be, you know, a fun trip. We've been like once or twice. I've been once or twice. Sylvia's been a little bit more than me. I think Eli's only been once, and it was before he could walk. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna have a good time. You gonna have a good time, man? Hey. You gonna have a good time?
Yeah.
Nah, he's not even worried about that. But yeah, so we're about to go ahead and get ready. It's about a 3-hour drive. We're gonna hit the road. Any stops along the way, you know, we'll make sure to tune you guys in. But stay tuned for the show. Say bye for now. What are you looking at? Boop. You tried to eat the camera. You nasty. Boop. You nasty. You tried to eat the camera. You nasty. Alright guys, so we are about to hit the road right now. We got everything packed and loaded. Everybody's in the car. And yeah, time to hit the road. Appreciate it.
So you have it out for now.
Thank you, you as well. Chick-fil-A, baby. Guys, we just came from Chick-fil-A. So we got a mountain of food, kinda. I got bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Sylvia got a chicken biscuit, and then we got some 4-count mini nuggets. And then Mark over here got a load of food, which is a fruit cup, parfait, and an egg white muffin. And then we got some, did they give us all the hash browns?
Yeah, they're all at the bottom of that bag.
Yeah, we got some hash browns up in here. So.
Did they give us ketchup?
No, just jelly.
You want me to just pull back through and get some?
Do we have any in the car?
No, I mean I can just go through the drive-through and get some.
It's up to you. I'm not gonna trip.
They gave us an ungodly amount of honey though.
I mean, if you want me to go through the drive-through, I'll go through it.
I'm not tripping.
Okay.
I mean, I
you ain't
would
tripping, I ain't doing it.
Yeah, okay. But there is none in the console or anything like that?
I didn't see any. Let me just pull through and get that damn ketchup for my baby.
I flipped my yogurt over that fast. I had the lid on it though, so we Gucci.
Oh, they starting to get a line there.
Maybe
Turn left.
or is it
Then turn right.
There ain't nobody in there, so
I don't know if you can go in. They might lock those doors.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pull through around the side, just say,
Yeah.
I just want to get some ketchup, that's all. And she'll probably just let me just slide through.
She should keep some ketchup in her pocket.
Turn right. Then turn left.
That would be convenient.
I just need to get some ketchup, so can I just pull through the drive-through? Okay, thank you. Everybody decided they wanted to come at 10. So what happens if you can't get in the house? They can't do the scope thing?
Yeah. They can't do the scope and Mark can't get
The keys to
the
the.
keys to the truck.
You're just gonna try to break in.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Didn't your dad say the alarm is
not to
set?
too much extent.
Nah, but I have access to the alarm system, so I can just disarm it, and we can get in.
Talking about this criminal stuff on the vlog.
We have authorization.
Yeah.
Don't
Criminals.
have access.
They're gonna be banging on our door. Sir, we heard that y'all were going over to do some hood rat stuff over in Texarkana.
That part would mean that you took the clip and sent it to someone.
I'm putting it in the vlog.
Mm-hmm.
And then everybody gonna be able to see.
I'm too young to go to jail, man.
You're too cute
Yeah,
to
I'm
go to
too-
jail.
I'm too cute, man.
I just need some ketchup, man.
Cinnamon.
Appreciate you, bro. Take it easy. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we had to make a quick detour. Well, I guess it's not a detour, it's right down the street. We just made a quick stop to Sylvia's grandparents' house, her granddad. So we stopped out here. So we are actually in Texarkana at the moment, almost at the farm. It's like 1.5 miles down the road, but we had to stop here and take care of some business. At the moment, hey, how you doing? I'm doing well. So at the moment right now, just me and Eli, we just chilling. That's my main man. Eli. You're just chilling? Hey.
Probably be there in the next 10 minutes.
Who is it?
Yeah, in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, that sounds good. Thank you so much. All right, thanks. All right, see you.
We are still at Sylvia's granddad's house. Mark just got back from the farm. He went down there to take care of some business earlier. And so we're waiting to her to finish up this information and get all of this stuff from Serpro, and then we'll be heading and getting on the road. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Corey.
we just made it to the farm, and you can see Uncle Mark and his main man, Eli. But Sylvia right now, she's talking to home builders at UBH, United Built Homes, and she's working on structuring some type of foundation and figuring out what her dad is going to do as far as building a house out in this area, and then probably potentially allowing Sylvia to build a house as well out here, so we can start coming out here and building a family, I guess, sort of estate in this area. But it's really nice. It's a lot of land, like a lot of land. And at one point they had the cows on here, but they removed the cows so they could allow the hay to grow. So now, it's just kind of just us out here right now, kind of enjoying the country lifestyle. It's a lot different than Dallas. Feels a lot better. And it's good to just kind of be away. The only thing that sucks is we don't have any cell service. So, I guess that's a good thing about family bonding. Come here, yeah. You're happy to be out that car. This way. Ooh. You a true countryman now? You put your little twig in your mouth? True countryman? Can I have it? Can I have it?
Last time you were here, you was a little bit.
Yeah, you're just strolling in the pink.
Yeah.
Taking all. What is this?
This is my man.
That's the tall guy. Y'all, you want to go that way? Yeah. That hay smells good.
Hey. Boy, handing out naps left and right. God damn.
Look, sugar. Oh, thank you.
Let's go. Get mama.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Eli, look at Mama run.
You wanna to the hay, I'm gonna throw you in there.
I don't know. Whoa, you're so fast.
We are now at the cabin. So typically when I've never stayed out here before, like stayed overnight, but whenever family comes, they typically stay in the cabin because the house is not up to par with living standards at the moment. So yeah, we typically stay up in the cabin, and so now I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a tour of what the cabin looks like. So yeah, guys, as you can kind of see, it's like a nice little simple cabin that Sylvia's parents have kind of put together here, and it's really roomy. It just needs to be, you know, updated, but you know, people don't really come out here. It's not their primary residence, so you know, it's a good place to be away from home and from city life. But as far as, you know, making it their primary residence, that I think they are, you know, wanting to build another house to kind of take that first house and renovate it and make it a like an Airbnb or Vrbo. That way they can kind of get some rental income, and then they really kind of want a brand new house. That's why they're kind of thinking about building, you know, a new house. And this is typically supposed to be the bedroom, but the only thing here is that they've ripped up the flooring. So since the flooring has been ripped up, nobody, you know, they haven't decided to put the flooring back down. I haven't finished the project at the moment. Yeah, guys, so that is the cabin, you know, that my in-laws have in Texarkana. So it's actually very, very nice. Really like it. It's just, you know, just a nice place to sit and stay and kind of relax and enjoy your time. It's like a home away from home. We are finally leaving out of Texarkana. Had a little rough time with that one. He was crying up a storm. Nothing would soothe him. We got about a 3.5 hour drive back to get to Texarkana, and to get back to Dallas, actually. Sorry about that. Not ready for this drive back, but at least it's not 5 or 6 hours. 3 hours is manageable. We enjoyed our time here. And this little one, he's having fun. Yeah, I think he's just ready to get back home. Ain't that right?
Yeah, he loves drinking water from the squirt bottle. So anything that can occupy him. But when he drinks from a sippy cup, he spits it all out. And so I had to take his shirt off because it was soaking wet. So squirt bottle it is.
Well, all right, guys. Yay. So we are, like I said, hitting the road. Catch y'all when we get home. guys, so finally got home. We had to deal with crazy drivers. There was literally this one lady, she was driving so fast and we thought she was gonna wreck because she was just driving so recklessly, right? Just swerving in front of everybody, 18 wheelers, any car. Enough of that side story. We are finally home. We had a fun time. I definitely had a fun time. I haven't been to the farm in a long time. My two babies are about to come inside now.
Love watching Eli right now. I didn't think I'd see it so soon.
Alexa, master bedroom light on.
And master fan. Oh, he's got
He pooped.
chocolate. No, he's got chocolate.
But anyways, you know, we love doing it. We'll be back again to show you guys more. But I'm Chad, and you saw Sylvia and Eli. Sylvia's over there changing Eli. Chad would have done it, but you know, lovely wife took the role to do that. So I'm your boy Chad, and this is Cook Family, and we're out. Later.
We go to the county if you ever. Yeah, we can go wherever.
Oh! Do I get sugar?
Oh!